Hi, I'm Gina. With our ever-expanding product selection, globalindustrial.com has what you need to get the job done.
Global's window air conditioners' compact design allows an easy fit into most standard windows. These units function with an environmentally friendly refrigerant that also provides high-efficiency operation. Touchpad controls allow convenient control over fan setting, timer, and energy modes, and a digital display allows easy reading of temperature. Controls include timer mode, sleep mode, and check filter light, plus an auto restart function to automatically resume operation in the event of a power failure. The air conditioner filter is washable and easily removable. The included remote control allows convenient programming from a distance. A window installation kit is included. Air conditioners are available in a number of different BTU power levels for your cooling needs.
Sign up for our email newsletter for great money-saving deals. I'll see you next time.